Hi everyone, so today's video is very exciting. Today I have a Michael Kors bag to unbox. I have this really beautiful backpack. I'm a fan of backpacks, guys. I love backpacks because they're very useful, utility wise and very spacious. They'll carry your entire world with a laptop and your makeup and your house keys and everything that you require basically. So I was actually looking for one perfect backpack. वो होता है ना एक bag जो कुछ भी हो जाए you'll carry, right? So I had one backpack before which was a guest backpack, but now that's really worn out. It's very old and it's peeling off from various places. So I realized that this was a time to upgrade and I got myself this backpack. It came really nicely packed in this beautiful packaging. This is how it comes. It comes in a big dust bag, which is great to store all your bags in. It is an unboxing video, so just get very excited with me because I've not used it. So I'm very excited to show you guys this backpack. This is what it looks like, guys. So this one is a large sable backpack, which is extremely spacious. It has lots of pockets. 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket, 4 pocket, 5 pockets. 5 zipper compartments it has, and I'll just quickly show you guys, okay? So this zipper compartment is absolutely perfect to hold anything essential. There's one zipper backpack on this side and there's another one on this side. The design of this bag is genius. And then inside of this, I'll show you a lot of filler stuff. Inside of these also there are 2 pockets. I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but yeah. So it is actually a very huge compartment. And then this is the main compartment, like here. So I can carry my laptop or an iPad in this one. There's no zipper compartment. There are 2 side compartments here as well. I think it'll carry some little bits and pieces of my belongings. Overall, I really like this backpack. It is extremely spacious. The quality is very nice and it is very lightweight. It is durable, so it's going to last me quite a while. So I won't be really buying a backpack for a long time, but I'm going to just quickly show you how it looks. It looks like a school bag pretty much, but this is what it looks like, guys. So I think this will serve the purpose of me carrying everything in my bag. This is what it looks like from the side and from the back. And then from the front, of course, so I will be hands-free most of the time, and the strap feels very comfortable. It looks very nice. I love the color. It's a beautiful beige and an off-white color, and I think this is going to suit most of my outfits. I'm really excited about this backpack. So let me know what you think about this backpack. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and thank you for being with me. I love you all so much. I'll see you in my other video, and yes, do follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Bye.